कौन है 8 वो तो मुझे पता ही है, फिर 8 होगा। तो बस ऑनलाइन करना क्या ऑनलाइन का। कर दिया कर दिया। हाँ वो ये वाली हवा रखते हैं।
Students, good evening. I am Ajay Ramesh, SAP SD trainer. I have 10 years experience in SAP SD. Okay. So, are you fresher or experienced SAP students? Do you have any experience in SAP as an end user or any other modules?
No, I don't have any experience in SAP.
Okay. Okay. So, don't have experience, right?
No.
Okay. It's okay. So, today's section, so I will explain to you what is SAP, what is the overview of SAP SD, what is your SAP SD care responsibilities, job responsibilities. So how to prepare this course in SAP, how to prepare SAP SD course, what is the importance of SAP SD and your SAP SD future, what is the future of SAP SD. So we'll discuss about this small section, okay? So our question, right, you're learning SAP, right?
Yeah.
You're learning SAP means what, our big question is what is SAP? Suppose you open Google or you open some YouTube, right? Our question is what is SAP? So what is SAP here simply? SAP is a software, right? Which software? Discuss about simply what is SAP. So SAP stands for System Application for Data Processing. SAP stands for System Application Products. System Application Products for Data Processing. Data process. Therefore, if you open Google, also showing same thing, right? What SAP means? SAP stands for System Application Parts for Data Processing. So system application parts for data processing, right? System application parts for data processing. Okay, but our question is, what is SAP exactly? What SAP does, right? What is SAP exactly? What SAP will do it? What is system application products? What is data processing here? That is a big question. So system application products. System application products means that is sales system application products, account system application products, production system application products, inventory system application product, and HR system application products. So they are the system application products. So what SAP will do? SAP stands for System Application Products for Data Processing. So these system application products for data processing. So these system application products for data processing. What is data processing here? SAP. So these system application products, these data, they maintain SAP only. These all sales, account, production, inventory, HR, all data will maintain SAP system. That is called data processing. So SAP stands for System Application Parts for Data Processing. So these application products for data processing. So these application data stored in SAP. So that is about SAP. SAP will maintain this all products data. Okay, so SAP will maintain this all data. Why this data required in SAP? What will do SAP here? For data maintenance, for data maintenance, for data analysis. So why data maintenance means for data maintenance. Why this data is required? For analysis purpose, for reporting purpose. Why is data required? Means for analysis, for reporting purpose. Okay. For reporting purpose, for analysis purpose. Okay, it's about SAP. So our question is what is SAP exactly? SAP is a hardware or a software or a package means SAP is an ERP software. SAP is an ERP software. SAP is an ERP software. So our next question is what is ERP software? Our next somebody asking students what ERP? ERP. Our next question is ERP software. What ERP is? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. That is called ERP. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is ERP exactly? Somebody asking, so please tell me example of ERP. So take example here. Suppose if you want to start new company, I want to start new company here. I want to start a new company. Example, take example here. I want to start new company. The company name is ABC Textile Private Limited. So I want to show this company what is ERP. So take an example, they can understand what is ERP. So I am taking some example here, so they can understand what is Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So SAP is an ERP software. Here SAP is an ERP software. SAP is an ERP software. SAP is an ERP software. ERP means enterprise. Next resource. Next planning, right? Enterprise resource planning. Next SAP module. Next SAP module. So what is enterprise here? Any company or any organization or any one firm simply called enterprise. So Reliance enterprise, Tata enterprise, Colgate okay enterprise, Maruti is enterprise, Tata any company or any organization, any company, any organization or any one firm simply called enterprise. Simply called enterprise. What is enterprise? That is company only. Any company or any organization, any one firm simply called enterprise. What is enterprise here? Enterprise means ABC Textile Private Limited. This is enterprise. Simply any company or any organization called enterprise. So what resource here? Suppose I want to start new company, right? Suppose if I want to start new company, I require resources, right? That is called money is the major resource. Yes, I have to go some money. Yes, what required? How do you manufacture products? Require some material, right? Require some manpower. For manufacturing products, require some manpower. But how do you manufacture new products? It requires some material, raw material. Yes, I have money, manpower, material. But which technology you're using? For this purpose, requires some machinery. Requires some machinery here. Yes, I have money, manpower, material, machinery. But what is your product design? That is called methodology. What is product design? It's a methodology. Suppose if I want to start a new company, I require these resources: money, manpower, material, machinery, and methodology. What is plan here? I have only 2 courses of mine, right? I have only 2 courses of mine, right? Somebody asking it is the only SSD. Okay. So this SD only. So what is plan here? Suppose I have 2 courses of money. Suppose if I want to start a new company, I require 6 courses of money. What we will do? I want to take a bank loan. I want to take a finance. This is called financial planning. So how do you invest money to the company? That is called financial planning here. That is called financial planning. That is called financial planning. Manpower. So as per business, how many employees required? Production employees, daily labor, sales, inventory, HR, finance. But HR will decide as per business how many employees required. It's called HR planning. Next material. Where you procure quality of raw material. It's called raw material planning. Next machinery. So which machinery required? That's called engineering planning. That is engineering planning. Next methodology. What is product design? It's called production planning. This is called production planning. So it's called production planning. So it's about planning. It's about planning. Okay. Next you can see all financial plan dealing with FICO consultant. HR plan dealing with SCM consultant. SCM means human capital management. So raw material plan dealing with consultant, material management. Engine plan dealing with plant maintenance, PM consultant. So production plan dealing with PP consultant. Production plan dealing with PP consultant. Yes, sales and marketing dealing with HR. Sales dealing with sales and marketing dealing with SD consultant. Yes, sales and marketing dealing with SD consultant. Dealing with SD consultant. So here SAP is an ERP software. ERP dealing all the different company. ERP dealing all the company departments, all the department company. ERP dealing finance department, HR department, inventory department, engineering department, production department, sales department. So that's why ERP has more different market. Why ERP has more different market means ERP dealing all the company departments. ERP dealing all the department of company. So that's why ERP has more different market. Suppose somebody asking, just explain what is the ERP software market. Next, ERP softwares. Next one is ERP softwares. So in market, you can see number of ERP softwares. These are primary is SAP, second is Oracle, next PeopleSoft, then JAdwords. These are important ERP softwares. They are important of ERP softwares. They are the important of ERP softwares. SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, and JAdwords. They are important ERP softwares. So out of these all ERPs, SAP share is 80%. Out of these, SAP share is 80%. Your SAP market share is 80%. So that's why many people choosing SAP as their career. That's why many people choosing SAP as their career. That's why choosing people SAP as career. This is about ERP. So you're learning SAP, right? Somebody asking, which module you're learning? Tell me your module something. Okay, tell me your module something. Somebody asking, okay, which module learning? Tell me those modules. So now you can see SAP modules. You're learning SAP, right? Need to understand, okay, which modules are there in SAP. Next modules in SAP. So in SAP, you have only two modules, that is technical and functional. So what is technical? What is functional? First module technical, second module is functional module. So in this technical module, for technical means they will write coding and programming. So if you choose technical module, they will write coding and programming. They will write some coding and programming. This is called technical module. This is called technical module. We have only one module there, that is called above. Above means advanced business application programmer. Advanced business application programmer. Above means. So your above will write coding and programming. Above is the technical module. So next go to functional module. What is functional module here? So for functional module, coding is not required. Simply they will provide their solutions. They will provide business solutions. Business solutions. So what are functional models here? Functional model is simply SAP SD functional model. SD means sales and distribution. Okay, SD. What is SD? SD basically works in order to cash process. Order to cash process. So customer places. Next MM process. What is MM? Procure to pay process. Procure to pay process. Company will procure raw material vendor. So company will procure raw material from the vendor. That is procure to pay process. SD process. Okay, and next
Ajay,
FACO model. Tell me, FACO model. FACO.
Ajay, I want to know that it's MM is a material management, and what is SD? Is it sales distribution?
Yes, SD is sales distribution. SD is called sales distribution.
And what is FICO?
Financial accounting and controlling. FICO. Okay.
Financial accounting
And controlling. PP means production planning. Simply product design. Design and MRP related things. PP means. Next, SCM is human capital management. Dealing employee payrolls, hiring and firing. Dealing employee payroll and personal administration. So they are the important functional models in SAP. Sorry, functional models in SAP. SD, MM, PP, FICO, and SCM. These are the important functional models. So apart from these functional technical, we have some admin models, so called support models. We have some admin models that is called as a support models. The support models are called as a admin models. So these models are security. The admin models are simply security and a basis. Okay, and PIPO. PIPO. Okay, and PIPO. They are the support models only. They are only support model. They are only support models. Security means the security person dealing resolving any user and password issues. Resolving SAP username and password issues. SAP username and password issues. SN roles also. SN roles. SN roles it is. That is security consultant responsibility. Security responsibility is any SAP username password issues, SN roles. So basis team responsibility is handling server issues. Basis consultants handling server issues. Handling server issues and moving tiers. Moving tiers. Handling server issues. Moving tiers. moving tiers. Handling server issues, moving tiers. And moving tiers 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so this is about moving tiers only. Handling server issues. Basis means handling server issues on moving tiers from one server to another. In SAP, we have 3 servers. That is the development server. So once you done the configuration, those configuration in development server, those configuration move to quality for testing, and this configuration move to production. This configuration move to production. So this is about basis. So basis team responsibility handling server issues. Handling server issues, moving tiers from one server to another server. The report basis team responsibility. Next, go to PAPO. This is simply integration of SAP and web application. Web application. So this is about PAPO. PA means process integration, PO means process orientation. So they are the models SAP. So up to this, any doubts, any questions you can ask students. Just now explain to you what is SAP, what is ERP, and SAP models. So any doubts, any questions you can ask. Up to this, any doubts, any questions you can ask students. So it is clear? So clear, right? What is SAP, what is the ERP, right? So next go to our models, sales and distribution. Okay, let's go to our topics, sales and distribution. Okay, our question is what is sales and distribution, right? Next go to our topic, sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. So what is sales and distribution here? So SAP SD, sales and distribution basically works in order to cash process. This is basically works in order to cash process. So what is order to cash process here? So simply creating sales order, outbound and billing, outbound and billing. So outbound, delivery, then billing. So SAP SD, so basically works in order to cash process. So SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. So what order to cash process here? Creating sales order, outbound and billing, outbound and billing. So somebody asking, tell me one example like that. So take an example here. What is order to cash process? Suppose a customer is there. Customer want to purchase Samsung mobile. Samsung mobile cost is, this mobile cost is, Samsung mobile cost is 25,000. Suppose you open Amazon website, you place the order. So the customer want to purchase this mobile. You want to open Amazon website. You place through integration. This order goes to manufacturing company. That is Samsung manufacturing company. Samsung sale department. Samsung is using SAP. The Samsung sale department will do the goods to customer. Delivery created, and Samsung department hand out to invoice to customer. That is through Amazon employee. 25,000 invoice is created, hand out to customer. Customer is paid the amount is called account document closed. Account document closed. That means what happened? 25,000 paid. So this is called order to cash process. So customer place the order, source the website. This Amazon only the service provider, Amazon, Flipkart, or Meesho, Myntra, something only service provider. So this manufacturing company by source the company. This manufacturing company, Samsung is a manufacturing company. Samsung will deliver the goods to customer and hand over invoice. Once customer paid the amount, account document closed. So this is about order to cash process. So SAP SD, so basically works in order to cash process. SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. Order to cash process. So in SAP, in order to cash, everything you can see real-time examples. Everything you can see real-time examples only. So this is called order to cash process, right? So this is called as standard order to cash process. This is called as a standard OTC process. Standard OTC process called order to cash process. This is called online sales also. It's called online sale also. So once you place the order, it's on the website. Those information passed to manufacturing company. The manufacturing company will distribute the goods to customer hand advice. So once customer paid the amount, the cycle completed. So this is called order to cash process. So SAP SD, so basically works in order to cash process. Suppose unfortunately some parts are damaged, what you will do? That is called written order. Suppose any parts are damaged, what you will do here? Suppose unfortunately few parts are damaged. Customer will complain, right? That is called written order. That is called written order. What written order here? Any parts are damaged. Suppose any parts are damaged. Any parts are damaged. What will do? Customer will give complaint. Customer will give complaint. So based on customer complaint, company create written order. Based on customer complaint, company create written order. So company will create written order. Company will create written order. Customer got the refund amount. This is called written order. This is also order to cash person. Unfortunately, any parts are damaged. What will do? Company will give complaint, right? Customer will complain, right? So based on customer complaint, company will process the products. Really, any parts are damaged, company will written order, written billing. Customer got the refund amount. This is called written order. This is order to cash process. Okay, so this is order to cash process. Okay, next I want to go to showrooms. I want to purchase so and so products. Suppose I go directly go to showrooms. So I purchase so and so. That is called cash share. This is also order to cash process. So suppose I go to showroom, I purchasing one transforming system. So they ask me pay the money immediately. If you repair the product, pay the money immediately. This is called cash share. Cash means what happened? So pay the money and pick the product immediately. Pay the money and pick the product immediately. This is called cash share. Example, suppose I go to DMart, I go to Value Mart, any shopping mall. Suppose I go to DMart, a Value Mart. Okay, any shopping mall. So what you will do? Go to shopping mall, they're asking pay the money immediately, right? The billing number asking if you require the product, you pay the money immediately. This is called order to cash process. So SAP SD, so basically works in order to cash process. So that is only real-time examples. You're doing online sales, you're doing you're purchasing portions from showrooms. Everything is order to cash process only. Suppose I am taking bank loan, I am purchasing so and so product. That's called rush order. What is rush order here? Rush order means customer got the product immediately, but invoice later. So customer got the product immediately. Invoice later. Suppose I want to purchase a house. I am taking home loan. So otherwise I am purchasing car. Okay. What you will do? So I am paying the money monthly EMI. This is called rush order. The customer got the product immediately, invoice later. Invoice later. Example is car loan, house loan. These are examples. Suppose car loan, home loan. So I want to pay the monthly EMI only. Monthly EMI payments. So what are you paying the money EMI wage? Is monthly or quarterly? This comes under rush order. So customer got the part immediately, but invoice later. You're paying the money monthly EMI wage. Customer received the car. The car cost would be 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs. You will pay the money to company, bank. Okay, that monthly wise only, monthly EMI wage. Suppose you're taking a home, you're taking bank loan. you are paying monthly EMI wise. This comes under rush order. This is called as a rush order. Rush order means no need to pay the money immediately. Yes, you can pay the money EMI wise. You can take the product. It's called rush order. This is also order to cash process. In SAP SD, everything will see only if real-time examples. Either online sales, or return order, cash sale, rush order, all are order to cash process only. So this is about sales and distribution. So SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. So okay, you're learning SAP, right? What are the course content? Contain SAP SD. We are learning SAP, right? What are the course content here? Our course content means our first topic is enterprise structure. Our first topic is simply enterprise structure. That is called company structure. That is a company structure. So in this course, I will explain to you all modules enterprise structure. Okay. This is called as the enterprise structure, right? Simply company structure. Simply company structure. So in this class, I will explain to you all modules enterprise structure. I will explain to you SD, MM, FICO, PP, enterprise structure. So define and assign enterprise structure. Define, assign enterprise structure. This is our first topic. This is our basic topic. This is our first topic is enterprise structure. I will explain to you all modules enterprise structure. So in this course, you will learn some parts of MM, FICO, PP also. Cross functional modules also. So once you done enterprise structure, our next topic is master data. What is master data here? Pool of data stored in SAP long period of time. Stored in SAP long period of time. That is called master data. Long period of long years. That's which data stored in SAP long years. That's called master data. So in SAP we have master data. SAP SD or major master data is customer master. What is customer master here? The customer information. Customer is not a one-time customer. The customer big customers, dealers, distributors, transporters, agents. They are the big customers. They are the big customers only. This is called customer master. Customer master simply basic customer details. Customer master means simply basic customer details. Customer name, customer mobile number, customer email ID. These things. Basic details of customer. Customer address, something. So next master, material master. What is material master here? Simply product details. Material master. Material master means simply product data, product features, product cost, product weight, product offers, etc. This is material master. Next, pricing master. What is pricing master here? Simply pricing details. What are the base price? Base price, discount, tax, something details. Discount, tax, etc. Next, output master. What is output master here? Output master means simply your output is a printout, email, and fax. This is called output master. That is a print, email, etc. This is called output master. Next CMA. This is called as a customer material info records. Customer material info records. Whenever customer places the material number, we use CMA. So this is master data. This is what master data. This is what master data. So after master data, our next topic is sales document. Our next topic is sales documents. Next topic is sales document. What is sales documents here? In SAP SD, we have three sales document types here. That is sales and delivery billing document types. Simply sales document type, sale document type, delivery document types, and billing document types, and billing document types. So what is sale document type here? Sale document types contain header, item, and schedule lines. Header, item, schedule line. So what is header here? Header means total items for order. Header means simply, so header means suppose you go to shop mall, you purchase 10 items, total items for order. All header. What is item means here? Item is simply each product. Suppose I purchase 10 products. Each product called item. Each product. Next, what schedule is here? Schedule line means simply customer requested confirmed quantity. Schedule means simply customer requested delivery date confirmed quantity. Delivery date and confirmed quantity. Confirmed config. This is called schedule lines. So sale document types contain header, item, schedule lines. Header means start letters for order. Item is each code. Schedule means customer requested a confirm quantity. So billing delivery control header item. For every document contain only header item. Header item only. So billing also contain header item. Billing also contain header item. It's about sale document types. So SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. Saves every billing. So after sale document, next topic is basic function. After sale document, our next topic is basic function. Okay. What is basic function here? Simply basic function simply sales order function. The basic function means simply sales order functions. So when you're creating sales order, system will determine these functions. We have so many as per the client business need to configure basic functions. So these basic functions are pricing determination. That is called pricing. Next output determination. That is called output determination. Next partner determination, route determination, material determination. Okay. Account determination. So they are the basic functions. Availability check, transfer of requirement, credit management. They are all basic functions only. As per the client requirement, need to configure. They are all configuration only. Credit management, cross selling, item proposal, and listing exclusions. Incompletion log. There are so many things. So we have so as per the client, we just need to configure here. There is scheduling. Okay, they're all basic function only. All basic function only. It is your basic function. So yes, okay, as per the client requirement, you need to configure basic function. These are what basic function. Simple sales order functions. So after basic function, our next topic is business process. So as per the client business and the client requirement, need to configure business process. So I'll explain to you, right? Business process, that is order to cash process. Okay, it's same thing. The other business process. The other standard business process, that is order to cash process, the standard process. Okay, next cash and rush order. They all business process. These are standard business process. Rush order and written order is mandatory process. Every client requires this process. Written order process and create note date number request. Any create note and date number request. This is invoice correction. Any invoice correction happen wrong invoice, you can adjust mind to create a request. So next pre of charge delivery. And next third party process. They are all optional. The third party means optional. IPO sales, intercompany sales. They are all optional only, not mandatory. Consignment sales is also mandatory. Consignment sales and STO stock transfer order, make to order. So depends upon the client, you need to configure business process. So after business process, our next topic is SIP project. So in this course, I will explain to you these projects. So in this course, I will explain to you these processes. These projects are implementation project. So implementation project, we need to configure everything. Need to implement, need to as per the client requirement or business process, need to configure. That is implementation project. That is called implementation project. You need to configure the enterprise structure, the master related fields, and sale documents, basic function, all the business process. So next support project. What is support project here? SAP already implemented the request support only. Any business is coming. Suppose they want to adding new configurations, they're changing some configuration, adding new functionality. The request support project. So if you taken bike or car, what request some support from mechanic, right? Same once client using SAP means they require some support. Any issue, any bugs are coming, any issue happen in the daily process, something. Next, rollout project. Rollout project, this is also SAP already implemented here. Suppose no plan started, we will convert for no plant. Suppose business will expand in so on the country. You will configure for new location, new country. That is called project. Next, upgrade project. So technology upgrade. So they will upgrade technology. So they will upgrade technology from ECC to SAP S/4HANA. This is called upgrade project. So they are the SAP projects, implementation, support, or and upgrade projects. So next go to conversions interfaces. Interfaces here. Interface simply aliases. Aliases. So what is interface alias means simply data transfer to SAP to data transfer from SAP to SAP. SAP to SAP data transfer. SAP non-SAP data transfer. SAP to non-SAP data transfer. Non-SAP to SAP data transfer. This is called interfaces. You're using ALADX or BAPIs or some integration point. Next, conversion figure. What is conversion? Simply data uploading. LSM, LSM, W, BDC. So uploading data. Simply uploading Excel data, uploading legacy data as a system. Legacy data into SAP. Legacy means non-SAP data. So it's about course content student. So next, what are your roles and responsibilities here? You're learning SAP, right? What is your roles and responsibilities? What are your roles and responsibilities here? Your role is SAP consultant. You're learning SAP, right? Once you learn SAP, we place any job in either TCS, either in Tech Mahindra or Infosys, or IBM or Wipro, something. Your role is SAP consultant. So what are your responsibilities here? You will place in implementation project, support project. Responsible means suppose you will place in implementation project. Or you place a support project. You place a support project. There are only two roles. That is the implementation support project only major project. Support project is a huge project. 80% for support project only. So what the implementation project here? Need to implement. That means need to configure all business process. Need to configure all business process. Need to configure all client requirements, client business process. Need to configure all business process. This is called implementation point. Your responsibility is need to configure all the business process. What is support point here? So need to resolve client issues. Need to resolve day-to-day client issues. Day-to-day client business issues. Business issues. This is called support project. So once you place in job in SAP, your role will be implementation support project. So this upgrade project and make it very small project only. So it's okay. Students, okay, I will discuss questions within 2 minutes. Okay, so this is about our roles and responsibilities. This is about our roles and responsibilities in SAP. So next, somebody asking earlier, how to prepare this course? You're learning SAP, right? So how to prepare this course SAP SD? So how to prepare SAP SD? So need to follow only 3 steps to prepare SAP. No need to spend 24 hours, 10 hours, or 5 hours also each day. Okay, so here, first step is need to understand client business process. So need understand client business process. Understand client business process. Understand client business process. Then second step is client business process mapping to SAP. So client business process. Client business process will mapping into SAP. Will configure SAP. So third one is suppose 1 hour class done. 1 hour class done. So need to do practice 1 more hour. Need to do practice 1 hour. So once you follow these steps, you will get you're expert in SAP. So no need to spend 24 hours. No need to spend even 10 hours, 5 hours. So you need to understand the client business process. Though the client business process will mapping into SAP. You need to configure SAP. Suppose 1 hour class done means need to do practice another 1 hour. So in this way, you need to prepare SAP. Any SAP, any model, not only SD, but also MM and PP and FICO, any model. So these things, these steps are important. Students, okay, this is about course content and SAP HD responsibilities and the future, how to learn this course. Any doubts, any questions, you can ask students. I just explained to you what is SAP, what is ERP, SAP modules, overview of SD, sales distribution, next what are course content, and what your career responsibilities in SAP SD, how to prepare this course. So any doubts, any questions you can ask. Students, any doubts you can ask now. Is it clear? Any doubts, any questions about your course content and about your SAP SD course, about your roles and responsibilities, about SAP, any career responsibility, any doubts, any questions, any doubts you can ask.
Ajay, I have a question. In Amazon integration, you have mentioned in above slide above one.
Yes.
Can you explain that one? What it is?
So Amazon integration, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So one minute. So in Amazon, so generally it's Amazon or Flipkart only service provider here. Amazon or Flipkart only service provider. So in Amazon, what happened here? In Amazon, so every day thousands of, or suppose 10,000 orders or 20,000 orders or 50,000 orders. So these orders goes to SAP automatically through integration. This order goes to manufacturing company. So if the manufacturing company using SAP means what happened? In SAP system will create order, delivery, billing automatically through integration. So a system create order and delivery billing automatically here. So once customer places the on Amazon website, so this order goes to through integration. This order goes to so-and-so SAP, so-and-so manufacturing company. Suppose Samsung using SAP, this order goes to Samsung company. In SAP, what happened background? Automatic system automatically create order delivery billing completed. So this billing information I can send back to Amazon. Okay. This is about yes, no need to create orders here. So yes, after completing course, you will join as a SAP SD consultant. SAP SD consultant, only IT companies like Infosys, like TCS, like Cognizant, one of these companies. Okay, students. So once you learn this course properly, your role is SAP consultant. Your role is a SAP consultant. Okay, you will be joining. Okay, you will join. So you can able to join in IT, okay, like TCS, Infosys, IBM, Tech Mahindra, or Wipro, or any company. Okay. So any other doubts you can ask students. Any questions? Any doubts you can ask. Your course, your responsibility, something. Any doubts you can ask. Simply, it's very simple. SAP SD. Suppose you're doing online sales, you're doing some sales in so on to showrooms. That this course is very easy for you. Why? Because SAP SD, everything you can see real time examples. Customer placed the order, customer replaced it goes to customer. Okay, somebody asking earlier why SD is required. So somebody is confusing which model they want to learn. Why SD is more demand? SD is more demand. SD require more consultants. Why SD is more demand means I will explain to you. So take an example here. Suppose I'm manufacturing laptops here. Suppose Dell is manufacturing laptops. They're selling 1 lakh laptops. They're selling 1 lakh laptops 2020. So they require only 50 SD consultants. Only 50 SD consultants required. Only 50 SD consultants, for example. So every company they want to increase the sales, right? Every company. Suppose this year 2020 only their target is only 1 lakh. So in 20, suppose due to COVID they sell more laptops. Okay, that's okay. They have 1.5 lakh left. They sold 1.5 lakh laptops, for example. So in 2021. So how many they require? They require 100 SD consultants. Why sale is increased? They require more SD consultants. They get more issues, right? They're getting more issues. They require more configuration. They're adding more business process. Suppose this Dell laptops. So in the sales will be raised to 2 lakhs in 2022. So now they required 150 SD consultant. So same company, this year their target is 1.5 lakhs. Every year the target is same. Other target will increase 2023. So they require 200 SD consultant. Why? Because suppose every company, if sales increases, they require more SD consultant. So sales is increasing, they require more SD consultant. So that is SAP SD feature. Every company they want to increase sales, right? Every company, either manufacturing company or a service company, any company, they want to increase the sales. Why? Because they want to grow, right? Day by day, year by year, every year. So once the sales increases, require more SD consultant. Why? SAP SD basically works on order to cash process. This is order to cash. Through SD only, company get to profits. SD billing. Who will do billing here? The billing will do only SD consultants. The billing will do only SD through one customer purchasing products. Once order to cash process increases, company will get more profit. Suppose sales increases, non-SAP point of view, sales increases. This 1 lakh sales information, they process only SAP only. This is 2.5 lakh sales, they process only SAP only. Okay, not manually. So all sales information to maintain SAP only. So for maintenance, they require for any issues, for adding new configuration, for adding new business process, they require more SD consultant. So that's why SD is more demand. The sales, every company they have used sales, right? They have more demand. So it's about SD feature. Should any other questions you can ask? Any questions, any doubts you can ask?
Ajay, FICO also used most of the companies after SD.
FICO is not a mainstream, right? FICO is not a mainstream. So what FICO will do it here? FICO people, FI people, they can analyze what is the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Okay, this is account is not a mainstream, it's support only. Account only supporting. Why account is supporting? Once the salesperson sell the product to customer, you can analyze. Once the salesperson need to sell, right? Salesperson need to sell. Salesperson responsibility to sell the product to customer. Then accounting will come into picture. So any company or any organization who is the mainstream means, I am trying to explain, manufacturer. Manufacturer mainstream. He is a manufacturer, right? Production employee. Without manufacturing, you don't have product, right? The manufacturer, this is the mainstream. Is the mainstream. Is the mainstream manufacturer. So once you manufacturing this laptop, 2.5 lakhs of manufacturing done, right? This 2.5 lakhs manufacturing, they need to sell. Sales is important. Sales also mainstream. Suppose 2.5 laptop manufacturing completed, you don't sell, did not sell. What happened? There is no profits, right? Company can't able to pay the amount, even salaries also. So first manufacture the mainstream. Once manufacture the product, these products they sell to market. These products they need to sell the market. Once you sell the market, company will get the profits. This accounts, this HR, these remaining all not a mainstream, only support only. Why HR required for recruiting employees? Why is accounting people required? Once you sell the product, the account will come into picture. The account people will analyze how much price is sold, what is the company profits. Okay, so anywhere in the world, even in the universe, these two are important. First, we are the manufacturer. Second is sales. Once you manufacture the products, those products need to sell the market. Without sale, there is no profits. Even a company also can't able to pay the money also for the employees. Okay, so you can understand that is about my knowledge and my experience. I'm saying you also can think about which is model is the mainstream, which is the supporting. You can analyze. Okay, did clear, students? Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, Ajay.
Okay, any doubts? Any questions? You can ask.
Yeah, Ajay, who can learn this course?
Tell me.
What is the eligibility criteria to learn this course?
Everybody can do it. Either any degree, any bachelor degree, either BCom or a BA or BSc or a Bachelor of Engineering or MBA. Everybody can do it. But that you need to, this is the important. The important task is you need to understand the client business process. So everybody can learn, everybody can expect, but this is important. You need to understand the client business. So those client business will mapping into SAP. Will mapping into SAP. Okay. At same time, whenever learning SAP course, 1 hour class means need to practice 1 hour, 1 more hour. No need to spend 24 hours or 10 hours. At least 1 hour perfectly. Do the practice. Okay. Your BCom or BS, anything is okay, but this is important. Knowledge important. For either theoretically and technically, both is important. If you learn both, suppose you have theoretical knowledge, but you don't have experience technically, then you get some problems. We have theoretical knowledge, Another practical knowledge. You are expert in SAP. Okay, clear, right? So in SAP has a huge demand market, huge package that we're providing. So you need to learn, once you learn the course properly, we get huge packages in software companies. So it's clear, right? Is it clear? Any doubts are there, you can ask. Any other questions, any other doubts, you can ask students.
In logistics and return is a part of in SD, right?
Tell me.
Logistics and return is a part of SD, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, students, any other doubts you can ask. Okay, students, thank you for joining. Have a nice day. Okay, I hope you learn SAP properly. So, okay, all the best to you. You will be placed in a good job in coming to 3 to 4 months in SAP. Okay, so SAP is a huge opportunities available for you. So you need to follow these 3 steps. You will be expert in SAP in coming months. Okay. So, any other questions, students?
Yeah, Ajay, can you please send the recorded session?
The recording section will send you our coordinator. Can discuss to them. Okay.
Yeah.
First, we would please tell the company complete duration of the course. So the duration is 44 to 50 hours duration. Okay, how many hours are now in a month? So this will take only 2.5 months time, 2.5 months to 3 months only. The duration is 45 to 50 hours, 44 to 50 hours. Sanjana. Any other questions, students? Any other doubts, questions you can ask? Is it clear, right? Clear, right, students? Any other doubts, any other questions you can ask? Students, okay. Any other doubts, any questions? So timings are, we have every day timings are there. Weekdays they start with 8 p.m. and weekend they start with 10 p.m. Weekend Saturday Sunday 10 p.m. batch is there. Morning we have 8 a.m. batch is there. So you can avail. We have different kinds of batches. So you can join any of the batch. Your availability.
It's online or offline?
Only online course, students. Only online. This is online course only. So okay. Any other doubt, students? Can I wind up the session? Okay, students. Thank you for joining. I am Ajay Ramesh signing off. Okay, all the best for your future. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, students. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Ajay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.